The next one is from Glow Recipe. This is the only shade that I have. This is in Blackberry Bungsu. This one comes in a typical doe foot, but it doesn't really concave, unlike the Summer Fridays. This smells like blackberry. And so this one also has a little bit more pigment. Let me put it right here. This one is a bit stickier than all that I've shown you, all the rest. This one really gives more of a lip treatment kind of look and feel. Unless you like layer it, then you get more of a pigment. This is more like a treatment than, you know, the Laneige almost looks like a lip gloss. It's a lip serum. And then these give the finish of a gloss as well because of their sparkle or finish. And this one gives like a treatment finish. And it does feel like a treatment, but looks like something like a lip you can wear when you go out, especially for the summer. I would still recommend this. I still have it. These are all beautiful textures. This is just a bit thicker than the ones that I've previously shown you, but there's still something. This is something that's amazing to have in your purse or your beach bag for this summer. These I've shared in my last video. It's the Dior Addict Lip Glow Butters. Again, these butter peptide balms. This is the most disappointing one. You can see I barely used it, but a lot of people are right. If you hold it under the sun, which I don't know if it's showing right now, but I can see it, you don't get that much product. It's really almost here, just halfway. Comes nothing spectacularly outstanding with this. It's your typical doe foot applicator, just a bit concave like the Summer Fridays and a bit smaller. Smells like the Dior. They don't really smell, they kind of smell like the lip maximizer. In terms of finish, this one is a lilac. I think this is the most unique one. It gives a bit more of a sheen. I mean, it's a very pretty finish. It's Dior. So I think in terms of finishes, it's still pretty. It's a Dior product, so it's always going to be pretty. And this one is in Lychee. This one is in Lychee. Very pretty. You know, all of these are pretty, but nothing like outstandingly to die for or to run for. But I have it. I'm gonna keep it. I think it's also the price point and how little product you get. I can even see it. It's right here. I can see it because it's very sunny today, and it shows through the packaging how much product there actually is inside. So for the price point, a little disappointing, but still super beautiful, of course, because it's from Dior. Last but not the least for this video, this is the Naturium Phyto Glow Lip Balm in Petal. I only picked up one because we don't have this yet in Canada. I picked it up when I was in Seattle and just wanted to try it for the heck, and this was the most surprising. I asked the girl in Ulta if she's tried it. She recommended what did she think, and all she gave me was this, and I grabbed it, and oh my god, that's all you need to know. This is a 10 out of 10 because of the price and because of the formula and the texture. This is very thick, very rich. It almost feels like a lip mask, but in such a comfortable and convenient applicator. Look at this look at this applicator though. I love the shape. It is so innovative. It's kind of like a breed of the Summer Fridays, but it doesn't concave in. It actually like flips out. Let me show you Petal. It's very thick as well. You have to squeeze quite with much pressure, but look at this color. Look at this color and look at this finish. Hands down, it immediately became my favorite. Upon first swipe, when I got home and opened this, my brain exploded. I was just so impressed with the formula's texture on the lip. It almost coats it like a lip mask because it's very rich and thick, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't get weird on the sides of your lip. It doesn't start falling in the creases of your lip. The finish stays like this throughout the day, so you can just imagine with a beautiful nude lip liner. Petal is it. So I think that's about it. Those are the things, or the products that I wanted to compare today. I think with the Summer Fridays and the Road, I've done, and everyone has done reviews on them before, so they know what those are like. I wanted to share these ones more that are like newer launches or limited edition colors, or not really reviewed much, like Nude Sticks, Ole Henriksen, Laneige, Glow Recipe, Naturium. So these are just some of those that I have been trying out and using. This product category I am really obsessed with as of late. I think it just creates the most beautiful hydrated lip. It is both a lip treatment but also like a gloss already, so it's a 2-in-1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it interesting and informative. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.